back to Mind Over Chatter, everyone. Today, we've got a really practical, hands-on task for you. It's all about taking that first step to start a conversation with a native speaker.
That's right. It can be the scariest part, but we're going to make it easy.
Exactly. So your mission is to find a conversation partner and practice a simple introductory chat. First, you'll need a simple greeting, something like, "Hello, my name is, and I'm learning English. Can I ask you some questions?"
And being polite is key.
Absolutely. Which brings us to step 2. Thank them for their time right away. A simple, "Thank you for helping me practice," goes a long way. Another great tip is to ask if you can record your conversation, just for yourself. Listening back is one of the fastest ways to improve.
Totally. You catch all the little things you missed.
Then you ask them for their name and reply with, "Nice to meet you." After that, ask them where they're from and where they grew up. Be ready to answer the same about yourself. And finally, just thank them again and say goodbye. So, Melody, are you ready to give our listeners a demonstration?
I'm ready. Let's do it.
Great. You'll just be yourself, a friendly person I meet. I'll be our English learner. Okay, here I go. "Excuse me, hello.
Oh, hi there.
My name is Alan, and I'm learning English. Would you mind if I asked you a few questions to practice?"
Not at all. I'd be happy to help.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. And would it be okay if I record this? It's just for me, to help me study later.
Sure, that's fine with me.
Fantastic. Thank you. So, what's your name?
I'm Melody.
It's a pleasure to meet you, Melody.
It's nice to meet you too, Alan.
So, Melody, where are you from?
I'm from Chicago in the United States.
Chicago. I've heard it's a beautiful city. And did you grow up there as well?
Yes, I did. Lived there my whole life until a few years ago. What about you?
I'm from a small town in Japan.
How interesting.
Well, thank you so much again for your time, Melody. You've been a great help.
You're very welcome. Your English is coming along wonderfully. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too. And scene. See, everyone? That's all it takes.
It was quick, friendly, and you got the mission done.
Exactly. So your homework is to go out and try that exact conversation. That's all the time we have for this session on Mind Over Chatter. Until next time, keep practicing and remember to like and subscribe for more.